I would propose that it's a good moment now to look at Bulgaria, because it has been a country with a very stable macroeconomic outlook. We are a country that has the best, one of the best, the second lowest ratio between debt and the GDP. We're a country that had only 2 years deficit that is higher than 3%, and it was not that much higher, it was 4%. And we are a country that for the last 25 years also has maintained quite a stable credit rating. In addition to that, there are very good mechanisms to support also investors in terms of administrative and operational expenses that are 1/3 less and faster than other places. We also are providing financial and non-financial support to companies, and those include support both for infrastructure in terms of energy projects and digital infrastructure, where we are good, but as well as support for training and investment in the development of the employees of up to 2 million euros for investors if they are done within the first 2 years of their investors. We have a special program that now is going to provide direct cashback financial return to strategic partners and to investors in the areas that we consider of high importance. And we have also an encouragement mechanisms for the ones that are choosing to invest in the areas of the smart specialization of the country. So this, as well as a return also in terms of social security and health insurance for some of the employees, also of investors who choose to apply for that, include very attractive set of measures. But most of all, what I would be saying to the investors, Bulgaria is a place to be now, because we are focused on developing innovations, on developing the emerging technologies, and on investing on the deep tech sectors in the economy. And this is, we realize that this is a longer term investment, but this is the investment that will have the highest return for you. So you're welcome to see. We believe that part of our work as a Ministry for Innovation and Growth is really to present this new face of Bulgaria. First, our, as I mentioned, assets, and they including the talent and the people. We have a very vibrant entrepreneurial ecosystem. It's one of the most developed and well-functioning, also as an ecosystem. We are considered, we are third in Southeast Europe in terms of capacity and startup potential. We're also second in terms of attracting investors' interest, and a regional player in providing different financial instruments and funding and a portfolio of funds that are supporting the new companies and new technologies. With regards to the automotive industry, it's one of these sectors that rose in the last years, and it rose also exactly due to that pool of talent and the IT specialization and expertise that we have. And what happened is, the more the sector moved into involving new technologies, involving the development of software products that are basically running our cars, because we are really nowadays living in driving smart cars. This type of trend in that industry allowed actually for Bulgaria to position itself as one of these leading players in the electrical components, because we are producing both the electrical components and also the software for this sector. And this is a story we need to tell to the rest of the world, because we're already making an impact. There is another area which is also related to storage, and batteries for such type of equipment and vehicles, that Bulgaria is also becoming very attractive as a destination and a place where you would do this. I would also like to point that these are not the only sectors. We are putting an emphasis also on microelectronics and mechatronics, as well as biotechnology and life sciences, which really are sectors that will require this value-add approach and investment in IP, in the development and collaboration of a closer work between industry and academia. And this is our bet as a country.